can download Oracle Virtual Box. Oracle VirtualBox downloads. So you see here that we are on the web page that allows us to download Oracle VirtualBox. Here it is, freely available for Windows, Mac OS X, Linux and Solaris x86 platforms. The link that we're gonna use is the one that says Windows 32-bit, 64-bit. It's this one. We're gonna click that and we're gonna download the latest version. Except from the Oracle VirtualBox, we also need to download for later install the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. So we need to install the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. So don't forget to download that one too. This does not depend on the operating system. It's one download for all platforms, Windows, Mac OS X, Solaris and Linux. And we click on the link to start downloading that one too. It's smaller, it's about 11 megabyte, whereas the VirtualBox it's about 95 megabyte. Please note that if you have a Linux machine or a Mac OS X machine, you can still install the VirtualBox, and I advise you to do that because later on I'm going to give you access to an Oracle VirtualBox appliance which has been prepared by me, and it has everything installed in order for you to start doing programming without having to install anything. Now, both Oracle VirtualBox and Oracle VirtualBox extension pack are downloaded on my computer. I start installing Oracle VirtualBox first. I click on Run. The installation does not take too long. It is about, I think, as far as I remember, about 5 minutes installation or less. Welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 4.2.18. We're going to click Next. We do not deselect, we allow everything that it is selected, and we go to Next. Make sure that you have enough space on your hard disk at the place where the location of the VirtualBox is going to be set. We click Next. We allow it to create shortcuts on desktop and in the quick launch bar. Next. We get a warning about the network interfaces, but this is not a problem. And we start the installation. Though it says here that this may take several minutes, I don't think it will take that long, especially if you have a decent PC or laptop. So as you can see, the installation proceeds without a problem. The wizard is going to ask us some questions. You don't have to be afraid, you just click yes and you proceed. Make sure you have you are the administrator on the computer where this is installed. Otherwise, it's not going to be installed. Would you like to install this device software? You click on Install, and then again, and then again. again. Okay, Oracle VM VirtualBox 4.2.18 installation is complete. It says here start Oracle VM VirtualBox 4.2.18 after installation. You don't have to do that yet, you just uncheck that and click on finish, because we need to install the Oracle VBox extension pack. So we open that too, and you will see that it will open the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager anyway. It says here you have an older version. Do you wish to download the latest one? Click yes, cancel, and do upgrade. This is going to upgrade my extension pack. I already had Oracle VM VirtualBox earlier version installed on my laptop. That's why I got this warning. But probably you will not get it if it is a brand new installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox. The extension, you should see the extension pack, Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack was successfully installed, and you click OK. So you probably are looking to something like that. It is the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Probably you don't have any VirtualBox appliances on the left hand side list. I already have some appliances here. You probably don't have one, but you are ready to go to either create a new Oracle VM VirtualBox appliance or import an existing one. For the needs of this class, I'm going to give you a link to download an already ready VM VirtualBox appliance for you to import. It's going to take place with the help of the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager as long as you go to the menu File, Import Appliance. But you are ready to go with Oracle VM VirtualBox, and the section now ends since we have installed Oracle VM VirtualBox. So the next one is to import the appliance for the seminar. So if you have Oracle VM VirtualBox open, go to File, Import Appliance, and locate. Then you click on Open Appliance and you locate the file Intro to Programming 32 OVA. Intro to Programming 32 OVA, and you click OK. Then you will be ready to import the Intro to Programming 32 OVA appliance. You click on Next. I suggest here that you click on Reinitialize the MAC address of all network cards. You see the details of the VirtualBox appliance that we are importing. It is an appliance with 1 CPU and 1024 MB 1G of RAM. You can also, if you don't want to use USB controller, you can switch that off, and then you do import. This is going to import the VirtualBox appliance into your Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and you will be able to start it. You will see the appliance on the left hand side list as soon as the import finishes. Half of the import is already there, so let's wait a little bit more. It will not take that long. The import is almost at 100%. A few seconds remain. and you can now see the new appliance that has been imported into our Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. In order for you to see the machine, the appliance in action, you have to select it and then click on the start. Let's do that. This is starting the Oracle VM VirtualBox, and it is starting the Debian GNU Linux distribution. So now you're inside the world of Linux. It is a Debian distribution, and it has everything installed for you to follow the seminar Introduction to Programming. You don't have to install anything. I'm going to teach you how to use the basics of this operating system, of the Debian operating system, this Linux distribution. Here we're ready to go with logging in. If you see that, we are happy with the installation of the Oracle VirtualBox and the import of the appliance.